Switching to an electric vehicle isn't just about what you drive, it's about how you fuel up. Imagine the convenience of never having to stop at a gas station again. Instead, your home becomes your personal refueling hub, where you can charge your vehicle at your own pace and convenience. Forget weekly gas station trips. With an EV, your garage becomes your fueling station. This means no more waiting in line or dealing with fluctuating gas prices. You have the power to charge your vehicle whenever it suits you, whether it's overnight or during the day. Waking up to a fully charged car every morning, that's real freedom. It's like having a full tank of gas every day without the hassle. You start your day with one less thing to worry about, knowing your car is ready to go the distance. No more searching for public chargers or waiting in line, just unplug and go. This seamless experience means you can focus on your journey, not on finding a place to charge. It's a level of convenience that traditional vehicles simply can't match. Charging at home saves you time. No more detours or standing in bad weather. You can charge your car in the comfort of your own garage, protected from the elements and ready to hit the road whenever you are. It happens while you sleep, eat, or spend time with family. A true background task. Your car charges quietly in the background, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with loved ones. Your car fits seamlessly into your life, not the other way around. It becomes a part of your daily routine, effortlessly integrating into your lifestyle without any disruptions. Electricity is almost always cheaper than gasoline, especially with off-peak rates. By charging at home, you can take advantage of lower electricity costs, making it a more economical choice in the long run. Over time, the savings add up, thousands of dollars back in your pocket. These savings can be redirected towards other important expenses or even towards enhancing your EV experience with accessories or upgrades. Yes, there's an upfront cost to install a charger, but it pays you back every time you plug in. Consider it an investment in convenience and savings, one that will continue to benefit you for years to come. You get convenience, save time, and save money, a powerful combination. This trifecta of benefits makes home charging an attractive option for anyone considering an electric vehicle. Most importantly, you're in control. No more depending on public networks. You decide when and how much to charge, giving you complete autonomy over your vehicle's energy needs. A home charger is reliable and always available. It's like having a personal gas station that never closes, ensuring your car is always ready for the next adventure. For daily driving, it's all you'll ever need. Whether it's a short commute or a longer journey, home charging ensures your car is prepared for whatever the day brings. It unlocks the full potential of owning an EV. With the ability to monitor and manage charging from your smartphone, you have the flexibility to optimize your charging schedule and maximize efficiency. If you're going electric, do it right. Get a home charger. The convenience is unmatched. The savings are real. It's a decision that enhances your EV ownership experience, making it more enjoyable and stress-free. The peace of mind? Priceless. Knowing your car is charged and ready whenever you need it provides a sense of security and freedom that is invaluable. Make your life easier, not more complicated. Home charging simplifies your routine, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. Home charging is the key to a better EV experience. It transforms the way you interact with your vehicle, making it more convenient and cost-effective. Ready to make the switch? Embrace the future of driving with home charging and experience the benefits firsthand. When it comes to charging your electric vehicle at home, you'll hear a lot about two main options, Level 1 and Level 2 charging. Understanding the difference between these two can make a huge impact on your daily driving experience and your overall satisfaction as an EV owner. Level 1 charging is the most basic form. It uses the standard 120-volt wall outlet you already have in your garage or driveway. Just plug in the charger that comes with your car, and you're good to go. But there's a catch. It's slow, really slow. You'll only get about 3 to 5 miles of driving range for every hour your car is plugged in. For someone who drives just a few miles a day, or only needs to top off their battery occasionally, Level 1 might be enough. But for most people, especially those with longer commutes or busy schedules, waiting for a full charge can be frustrating and impractical. That's why many EV owners treat Level 1 charging as a backup solution. It's handy to have in emergencies or when you're traveling, but it's not something you want to rely on every day. Now let's talk about Level 2 charging, the real game changer for home EV owners. Level 2 chargers use a 240-volt circuit, similar to what powers your clothes dryer or electric oven. This higher voltage means much faster charging speeds. With Level 2, you can expect to add anywhere from 25 to 60 miles of range per hour, depending on your vehicle and charger. That's a massive improvement over Level 1, and it means you can easily recharge your battery overnight, even if it's nearly empty when you plug in. Imagine coming home after a long day, plugging in your car, and waking up to a full battery every morning. No more range anxiety, no more waiting around for hours. Level 2 makes owning an EV as convenient as possible. For families with multiple drivers or anyone who depends on their car for daily errands, work, or road trips, Level 2 is almost essential. It keeps your vehicle ready to go whenever you are. Most EV owners quickly realize that Level 2 is the key to true convenience and peace of mind. It's the difference between planning your life around your car and having your car fit seamlessly into your life. Installing a Level 2 charger does require a professional electrician. This isn't a DIY project. Your home's electrical panel needs to be evaluated, and a dedicated circuit must be installed to handle the extra power safely. The process is straightforward for a pro, but it's crucial for safety and long-term reliability. Once installed, you'll have a powerful, efficient charging station right in your own garage. You might hear about Level 3 or DC fast charging, but that's really meant for public charging stations. These chargers are extremely fast, but they require industrial-grade power and are far too expensive and power-hungry for home use. For home charging, Level 2 is the gold standard. It strikes the perfect balance between speed, cost, and convenience, making it the best choice for almost every EV owner. With Level 2, your garage becomes your personal fueling station. Charging is fast, efficient, and always ready when you need it. Don't settle for slow, outdated charging methods that leave you waiting and worrying about your next trip. Upgrade to Level 2 and experience the freedom and simplicity that modern EV ownership should offer. No matter what EV you drive, Level 2 is the right choice for almost everyone. It's compatible with nearly all models and future-proofs your home for years to come. Start your EV journey the right way. Choose Level 2 charging and enjoy the full benefits of electric driving from day one. Before buying a charger, check your home's electrical system. The main electrical panel, your breaker box, is the foundation. Know its capacity. Most modern homes have 150 or 200 amps. Older homes may have less. A Level 2 charger needs its own dedicated circuit, usually 40, 60 amps. An electrician will do a load calculation to see if your panel can handle the extra demand. If your panel is maxed out, you may need an upgrade. Costly, but necessary for safety. Never buy a charger before confirming your system can support it. This is not a DIY project. Working inside a panel is dangerous. Hire a licensed, insured electrician. They'll size the breaker and wire correctly for your charger. Proper wire gauge and installation are critical for safety and code compliance. Don't cut corners, your home and safety are at stake. Get a pro, get it inspected, and get it done right. The right foundation means years of safe, reliable charging. Don't risk your investment with shortcuts. Safety first, always. Trust the experts. Start with a solid foundation. Once your electrical system is ready and up to code, it's time to choose the right charger for your electric vehicle. This decision is more important than you might think, as the charger you select will impact your daily routine, charging speed, and even your long-term satisfaction as an EV owner. First, let's talk about power. Most Level 2 home chargers deliver between 32 and 48 amps, but what does that mean for you? Higher amperage means your car charges faster, which is great if you have a long commute or multiple drivers in your household. However, higher-powered chargers require a more robust electrical circuit, which could mean extra installation costs. If your home's electrical panel is older or already near capacity, you may need an upgrade to safely support a high-amp charger. Always consult a licensed electrician to assess your panel's limits before making a decision. It's crucial to match the charger's power output not only to your car's maximum charging rate, but also to your home's available electrical capacity. There's no benefit to buying a 48-amp charger if your car can only accept 32 amps, or if your panel can't handle the load. Next, consider cable length. Measure the distance from where you'll mount the charger to your car's charging port, and always add a few extra feet for flexibility. You never know when you'll need to park differently or charge a friend's car. A longer cable, typically 20 to 25 feet, gives you the freedom to charge from different spots in your garage or driveway. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in everyday convenience. Now think about features. Basic chargers simply deliver power, but smart chargers offer Wi-Fi connectivity, letting you schedule charging sessions, monitor energy use, and even integrate with your utility for special rates or demand response programs. With a smart charger, you can set your car to charge during off-peak hours, when electricity is cheaper and the grid is less stressed. Over time, this can save you a significant amount of money and help reduce your carbon footprint. If you prefer simplicity and don't need extra features, a basic charger is perfectly fine. It's reliable, easy to use, and often more affordable. Don't forget about plug compatibility. Most EVs in North America use the J1772 connector, while Teslas use the NACS plug. Fortunately, adapters are widely available, so you can usually charge any car with the right setup. Always look for UL or ETL certification on any charger you consider. These marks mean the charger has been independently tested for safety and quality. Certified chargers are built to strict standards, reducing the risk of electrical hazards and ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Never risk your home or your vehicle with cheap, uncertified chargers. Fires and electrical failures are rare, but when they happen, uncertified units are often to blame. Finally, plan for the future. If you might upgrade to a larger EV, add a second car, or want to maximize your home's value, choose a charger that can grow with your needs. It's an investment in convenience and peace of mind. The right charger makes all the difference in your EV experience, turning charging from a chore into a seamless part of your daily life. Invest in quality and safety. A well-chosen charger will serve you reliably for years, protecting your car and your home. Your EV deserves the best. Choose wisely and enjoy the freedom of electric driving. Location matters. Choose your charger's spot carefully. Inside the garage is best, protects from weather and keeps things tidy. Think about where you park and where your car's charging port is. Use a wall mount with a cable holster for a clean setup. Measure everything, don't guess. If installing outdoors, pick a weather-rated charger, NEMA 4 or better, and ensure all connections are sealed. Keep the charger close to your electrical panel to save on wiring costs. Balance convenience with installation expense. A little planning now saves money and hassle later. Paperwork isn't fun, but it's essential for safety. Most places require a permit for level 2 charger installation. Your electrician will usually handle the permit and ensure code compliance. After installation, an inspector checks the work before it's officially complete. Don't skip this step, it protects you and your home. Research rebates and incentives before starting. Federal, state, and utility programs can save you hundreds or thousands. Some require pre-approval or specific equipment. Check official websites and read the fine print. Don't leave money on the table, do your homework. Paperwork and research pay off. Installation is where the pros shine. A licensed electrician confirms your plan, runs a dedicated 240-volt circuit, and installs the correct breaker and wiring. They'll mount the charger, make secure connections, and test everything. Hardwired chargers are often safer with fewer failure points. After installation, the electrician schedules an inspection for final approval. You get a safe, reliable setup that lasts for years. Don't risk DIY mistakes. Safety and peace of mind are worth it. You're paying for expertise, not just labor. Trust the professionals. Get it done right the first time. Home and commercial EV charging are worlds apart. Home, one charger, one circuit, personal convenience. Commercial, multiple chargers, huge power needs, payment systems, and complex management. Commercial sites often use level 3 fast chargers, expensive and power hungry. Home charging is about reliability and simplicity for you. Commercial charging serves many users and requires major infrastructure. Both are vital for EV growth, but solve different problems. For your needs, a simple level 2 home charger is perfect. Your new charger is in, now keep it safe and reliable. Inspect monthly. Check cables and connectors for wear or damage. Keep the unit clean, dry, and securely mounted. Always use the cable holster. Don't let it get run over or become a tripping hazard. Never use extension cords with level 2 chargers. Outdoor units are weatherproof, but avoid direct water spray. If you notice flickering lights, buzzing, or tripped breakers, stop and call your electrician. Keep smart charger firmware updated for security and performance. Simple checks and good habits keep your charger working for years. Protect your investment with regular care.